ATM card problem.
Excuse me, I need some help with the ATM machine.
Of course. What happened?
My ATM card got stuck in the machine.
I am sorry to hear that. When did this happen?
It happened about 10 minutes ago.
Did the machine give you any message?
Yes, it said, "Please wait," but nothing happened.
I understand. Did you receive your cash?
No, I did not get any cash.
Okay, please do not worry.
What should I do now?
First, I need some information.
Sure, what do you need?
May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your account.
Okay,
I can see your account here.
that's good.
Can you tell me the ATM location?
It is outside this bank branch.
Thank you. That helps.
Will I get my card back?
We will check the machine today.
How long will it take?
Usually 1 or 2 business days.
I understand.
If the card is damaged, we will replace it.
Do I need to pay for a new card?
No, the replacement is free.
That is great news.
I will also block the old card for safety.
Yes, please do that.
The card is blocked now.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
How can I get money before my new card arrives?
You can withdraw money inside the bank.
That is helpful.
We can also send a new card request today.
Please send the request.
Done. Your new card will arrive soon.
Will I get a message?
Yes, we will send you a text message.
Perfect.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything.
Thank you for visiting the bank.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Buying a train ticket.
Good morning. I would like to buy a train ticket.
Good morning. Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Chicago.
When would you like to travel?
I want to travel tomorrow morning.
Let me check the schedule.
Thank you.
There is a train at 8 a.m.
That sounds good.
There is also one at 10 a.m.
I prefer the 8 a.m. train.
Okay. Is it a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
I need a round-trip ticket.
When would you like to return?
I would like to return on Sunday evening.
Let me check the return trains.
Sure.
There is a train at 6 p.m. on Sunday.
That works for me.
Great. How many tickets do you need?
Just one ticket.
Would you like a window seat?
Yes, please.
Let me see what is available.
Okay.
Good news. A window seat is available.
Wonderful.
The total price is $80.
That sounds reasonable.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my bank card.
Please insert your card here.
Okay, done.
The payment is successful.
Great.
Here is your ticket.
Thank you.
Please check the information.
Everything looks correct.
Excellent.
What time should I arrive at the station?
Please arrive at least 30 minutes early.
That is easy.
Bring your ID with you.
I will.
You can also bring one small bag for free.
Good to know.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think I am ready.
We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. Taking a taxi.
Excuse me, are you available for a ride?
Yes, I am. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the City Museum.
No problem. Please get in.
Thank you.
Are you visiting the museum today?
Yes, it is my first time there.
That is nice. It is a popular place.
I have heard many good things about it.
You will enjoy it.
How long will the trip take?
About 20 minutes if traffic is light.
That sounds good.
Is there any special event at the museum today?
Yes, there is an art exhibition.
That sounds interesting.
I love looking at paintings.
I enjoy art too.
The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.
Do you drive this route often?
Almost every day.
Then you know the city very well.
I know many streets.
That must be helpful.
It makes my job easier.
How long have you been a taxi driver?
For about 5 years.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I meet many different people.
That sounds fun.
Every day is a little different.
I can understand that.
We are getting close now.
That was fast.
The traffic is very light today.
I'm glad to hear that.
The museum is just ahead.
Great.
I will stop near the main entrance.
Perfect.
We have arrived.
Thank you for the safe ride.
You're welcome.
How much is the fare?
It is $15.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy the museum.
I will. Thank you again.
Take care.
Post office conversation.
Excuse me, I would like to send a package.
Of course, I can help you with that.
Thank you.
Where would you like to send it?
I want to send it to my sister.
Is it going to another city?
Yes, it is going to Chicago.
Great. May I see the package?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the size and weight.
Okay,
The package looks good.
that's nice to hear.
Is there anything fragile inside?
Yes, there is a glass picture frame.
Then I recommend extra protection.
That sounds like a good idea.
We can add protective wrapping.
Please do that.
No problem.
How long will delivery take?
Standard delivery takes about 5 days.
Is there a faster option?
Yes, express delivery takes 2 days.
I think I will choose express delivery.
Good choice.
My sister needs it soon.
Then express delivery is best.
How much will it cost?
The total cost is $20.
That is fine.
Would you like tracking service?
Yes, please.
That will help you follow the package.
Perfect.
Please write the receiver's address here.
Okay, I am writing it now.
Thank you.
Is everything correct?
Let me check.
Sure.
Yes, everything looks correct.
Great.
Please make the payment.
I will use my card.
The payment is successful.
Wonderful.
Here is your receipt and tracking number.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
I appreciate your help today.
It was my pleasure.
Have a nice day.
You too.
A special surprise.
I need your help with something.
Of course. What is it?
I want to plan a surprise for my mother.
That sounds wonderful.
Her birthday is next week.
That is exciting.
I want to make her very happy.
I am sure she will love it.
I need some ideas.
What does she enjoy?
She loves family dinners.
Then a surprise dinner could be perfect.
That is a great idea.
We can invite your family.
Yes, but it must stay a secret.
Don't worry, I will not tell anyone.
Thank you.
Where would you like to have the dinner?
At our house.
That will feel warm and personal.
I agree.
What food does she like?
She loves chicken and rice.
Then we should prepare her favorite meal.
Absolutely.
What about a birthday cake?
Yes, she loves chocolate cake.
Perfect. I can order one.
That would help a lot.
Do you want decorations too?
Yes, some balloons would be nice.
We can decorate before she arrives.
Good plan.
What time will she come home?
Around 6 o'clock.
Then everyone should arrive by 5.
That makes sense.
We should also prepare a birthday card.
Great idea.
Everyone can write a message.
She will love that.
I can already imagine her smile.
Me too.
This is going to be a wonderful surprise.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I am excited now.
Your mother will have a very special day.
I hope so.
I am sure she will.
At the laptop repair shop.
Hello. My laptop is not working properly.
Hello, I can help you. What is the problem?
It is very slow and sometimes freezes.
Okay, when did this start?
It started 2 days ago.
Did you install anything new?
No, I did not.
Let me check the laptop.
Sure.
I will turn it on now.
Okay.
It is taking time to start.
Yes, that is the problem.
I see the issue.
What is wrong?
The system has too many background apps.
Is that bad?
Yes, it makes the laptop slow.
Can you fix it?
Yes, I will clean the system.
How long will it take?
About 1 hour.
That is fine.
I will also check for viruses.
Oh, that sounds serious.
Do not worry, I will check everything.
Thank you.
Do you save important files?
Yes, I have photos and documents.
I will protect your data.
That is good.
I recommend a system update.
Will that help?
Yes, it will improve speed.
Okay, please do it.
I will also clean storage.
My storage is almost full.
That is another reason for slow speed.
I understand now.
I will start repair now.
Thank you.
You can wait here.
Okay.
I am running a scan.
Is everything okay?
Yes, no serious virus found.
That is a relief.
I am optimizing your laptop.
How is it now?
It is getting faster.
That is great news.
The repair is almost done.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Can I use it now?
Yes, try it.
It is much faster now.
Perfect.
I am happy with the result.
If it slows again, come back.
I will. Thank you again.
Have a good day.
You too.